Make sure everything tucks behind really nice and cleanly as you start to do this, because some of the biggest challenges of this, and see where the plug fits in really nicely and you can feel the collar close really nicely, that means that it's all lined up and nice. The other thing you want to make sure to do is make sure you don't have any of your other cables pinned down or tucked in or anything strange as you start to line all this back up, right? You can see already, it's run into something, right? You can see where it just doesn't want to slide back into place. It's that big block plug. Now, the nice thing is, like I said, with all of this extra space, I can just stick my hand in here and I can pull the plug down as I guide the head unit in, where before it can take some work to get enough space, because man, they don't give a lot of space behind the head unit, because why would they? There's no reason to do so, okay? So go ahead and get this squared away. I'm going to reach my hand in here. I'm going to get that big block plug pulled down and tucked down in here. It's going to be great. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and take your display and plug everything in. Everything only goes to one place. Video cable goes here, your primary cable goes here, your GPS antenna goes here, and your Wi-Fi antenna screws on right here. Once you have those all on, you can flip this around and start to fit this into place. I probably wouldn't lock it down into place yet until we test it and make sure that it's running. But before I plug all that in, I'm going to get my cable squared away, then I'm going to get this plugged in, follow along with me, get all that done, and then let's test it for the first time. All right, y'all, now that everything's plugged in, let's go ahead and test it. I always test it before I put it back together in case there's any cables loose or I need to move anything. I've also grabbed the center console so I can adjust volume as need be. So I've plugged that back in, obviously not plugged in. So let's go ahead and get it started up. Now, the one thing to keep in mind in all of this is, first, I don't have the display snapped in place yet, but also I won't be able to play any audio right now. Anytime I play anything, if it catches the radio or anything else, YouTube will take my video down. So I don't want that to happen, but I assure you I will test that off screen.